Hi friends, how are you doing today? Hopefully it goes smoothly. Accompanying your late night activities, let's dig into last year's Olympics. This question is fairly easy, but requires an understanding of the right formula. Listen to this question carefully. This is a block. The story is, this block moves on a slippery floor surface at a speed of v0. Because there is no external force, try to guess how this block moves. That's right. This block will continue to move at a speed of v0 all the time. At one point, you push the block. Is there anything strange in this sentence? The word push has many possibilities. We can push in the same direction as the block's movement. We can also push in the opposite direction to the block's movement. This is a bit of a gamble. Let's just choose the first option. This force is an external force for the block. Because the direction of the force is like that, the block will move faster. As long as this force sticks to the block, the speed of the block will increase. Now, we are asked to calculate the amount of kinetic energy of the block, after the block moves 1 second later. Let's say after 1 second the block reaches this point. At this point the speed of the block is v. We have 2 points now. Point 1 and point 2. The starting point and the ending point. If we have ever taken a momentum physics course, we will know the relationship between impulse and momentum. According to the impulse-momentum theorem, the impulse acting on an object can be measured from the change in its momentum. I is equal to delta p. The magnitude of the impulse is f bar delta t. This f bar is the average force. Because during that time the block is pushed by a force of the same magnitude, of course the magnitude of the average force is the same as the magnitude of the force itself. F bar is equal to F. For delta p is mv minus mv0. The magnitude of the force is known. The mass of the block is known. The contact time interval of the force is known. The initial velocity of the block is known. All physical quantities are known, except for the final velocity v. From here, the magnitude of the block's velocity is 30 meters per second. Now, the kinetic energy of the block can now be calculated through the equation half mv squared. The value of m is 5 kilograms. The value of the velocity v is 30 meters per second. I think this calculation is quite easy. The kinetic energy is equal to 2250.0 joules. According to the Olympic Committee, the answer must contain a value of 1 decimal place. If you choose the second option, the force acts in the opposite direction to the block, you will find that the kinetic energy is 250.0 joules. Which answer is correct? Of course it depends on the perception of the question writer. Hopefully this video is useful for all of us. Don't forget to like this video.